Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. This time I'm using an AI voice since no one has mentioned whether you prefer my voice or AI. Today I'll be presenting the Lenovo 15G2 laptop. It looks great from the outside, and you can get this configuration for around $800 to $850. Its elegant design might tempt you to buy it, but is it really worth that price? Stay with me until the end of the video to find out. In order to open this laptop, you need to unscrew 10 screws. Be careful with the 4 screws at the bottom. They are screwed in at an angle, so make sure not to break anything. Also, note that the screws can't be fully pulled out, although sometimes a few may still fall out. After the screws are out, you'll need a piece of tough plastic like this. Carefully go around the edges until you release all the plastic clips inside. Don't lose your patience like I did. Since I couldn't start releasing the clips with the plastic tool, I used a small flat screwdriver, and this was the result. Inside, this laptop doesn't look like anything special. In fact, it feels pretty cheap. The motherboard is small and the battery is small too, although you can order it with a larger battery since there's space for it. There is room for a second hard drive. The cooling system is easy to clean without much effort. Overall, I'd say it's a simple build and service-friendly. So thank you for that, Lenovo. Now, let's see how it performs. At my workplace, we usually have dozens of the same PC or laptop models, so I always do a full install on one, then use Acronis to back it up. This way, I can set up the others without much involvement. Acronis is very handy software and easy to work with. As you can see, I have multiple backups on one external drive. Just choose the right one, start it, and in just a few minutes, you'll have a fully installed laptop ready to use, smooth and fast. After restoring from backup is done, just shut down the PC and disconnect all external drives, then boot up your freshly installed laptop. The first boot may take a little longer, but it will still be fast enough. Why Acronis? Well, this is what I get with it. All the necessary software is already installed. Microsoft Office is pre-installed, and the license is kept in the backup, so just connect to the internet to activate it. Windows is also activated through this method of backup. That's why it's good to use enterprise software in companies. The hardware in this laptop will provide solid performance for everyday tasks like browsing the internet, watching videos, and so on. But don't expect to play fancy 3D games. It's not built for gaming. My personal opinion on this laptop and its price? I think it's a bit overpriced for what it offers. What I see here doesn't really justify the cost. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.